Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to link a domain to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info that you have regarding your store and the ways you can edit it using the left side of the screen where you can see all the sections such as home, orders, you can see your products, and so on. So guys, now let's say we want to go ahead and connect a domain that we have to our Shopify store. So that domain will lead to our Shopify store. So first thing we have to do is go ahead and click the settings option right here at the left side of the screen and go ahead and open up this new menu where we will see all the options we have for editing our store. So you can see here are the store details. So we want to go ahead and look at the left side screen and we want to scroll down until we find this option right here called domains. So guys, go ahead and click on domains to open it up, and this will now open up this new page where you can go ahead and edit your domains. You can either buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. So if you already have a domain guys, go ahead and click on connect existing domain. And after that, go ahead and enter in the domain, click on next, and this will lead you to the options so you can confirm this is your domain, and after that you'll be able to set it up to lead to your store. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.